Despite the massive crypto crash that we had on Friday here, useless coin has basically fully recovered and it's looking like it's going to absolutely explode. So in this video, we're going to be covering this from a fundamental standpoint, a technical analysis standpoint, and basically seeing how we can make as much money as possible trading this asset. So you can see in the last day, it's up 39%, the last 7 days, it's up 50%, and the last month is up 27%. The big dip that I'm referring to here is, of course, this massive dip here. You saw this asset fall from 40 cents all the way down to 20 cents, wiping 50% of the value of this asset in a matter of minutes. Okay, pretty crazy stuff here. Well, not a matter of minutes, it was around 15 to 20 minutes there. But you can see full scale recovery has happened. Okay, and we will go into the chart very shortly. The last 7 days, as I said, it's up 50%. This thing is just growing and growing and growing. Can it break this high? That's the big question that everyone is asking right now. If it breaks this high, it goes up higher and we will see this asset easily 500 million, maybe even $1 billion in market cap in the next few weeks, maybe days or so. At the rate this market is recovering, it could mean that. Okay, so really interesting stuff there. Let's go into the chart because I want to show you guys what we're looking out for there in terms of breakout scenarios and just overall covering this asset. Before we do that, guys, let's talk Maxi Doge, because Maxi Doge has actually raised millions of dollars in the last week here. A brand new meme coin, a steroid-driven, jacked up degen 100x trader that looks high, who takes codeine, that loves just being a complete degenerate, right? That's the gimmick, that's the meme. Looks very memeable. It's got an interactive website. The effort that's been put into this is absolutely huge. They've raised $3.5 million so far. They're mentioning some very reputable sources here. It's very likely that we're going to get centralized exchange listings straight off the bat with such an amount of funding. This was at 2.8 million at the end of last week. It's raised $3.5 million now. So you can imagine the marketing budget for an asset like this and how memeable is this guy. Okay, so I do think a nice 10 to 100x is in order there, and definitely something that you guys should go check out. And also some lovely project affiliations there as well. I'll leave the link in the description, just some alpha for you guys. Go check it out. Obviously, do your own research, all that good stuff. Now, useless coin here. Let's get back to that because that is why we're here right now. You can see mass V-shaped recovery here, maybe even seeing inverted head and shoulders scenario here, basically meaning guaranteed to get back to this area here, which is another 13.91% here for this asset to grow with a meme coin at around $350 million. This is super achievable in my book, and I do think we will get there. The breakout after that is what has got everyone's attention. Okay, the breakout to 45 cents here. Got that drawn in the chart. It doesn't actually look like it's anywhere substantial here, sorry. You can see, oh no, it's the measure move. That's what it is, yeah. You can see we've got a measure move from this lovely giant falling wedge, and that measure move is basically where we break, and that basically takes us all the way up to that lovely area at the top side here, around 45 cents per coin for this asset. It's quite likely that we do get there, guys. Having the completion of this measure move would be really nice. And look at that, liquidating a load of long positions before absolutely banging it all the way up. Okay, that's sort of what we're looking out for there. To get to that $1 billion market cap, guys, we're looking at 166% from where we are now here, or 170%, super achievable. I do want to know your thoughts. Do you think useless coin can get there? Personally, I do, and I really think that it's going to happen very fast, like we did see this lovely run up in previous price action there. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.